I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Godaddy website in just a few minutes. This is a quick and effective way to improve communication with your visitors by giving them a direct channel to reach you instantly. Start by logging into your Godaddy account and heading to the product section. Here you'll see all the services you've purchased. Find your website in the list and click on it. Once it opens, select Edit Website to launch the Godaddy Website Builder. Inside the editor, look for the option to Add Section. When you click it, a new window will open with different section types you can add. In the search bar, type HTML. This will quickly bring up the HTML option, which is exactly what we need. Select the HTML section and then click Add. You'll now see an HTML block placed on your page. This is where you'll paste the code for your WhatsApp button. Make sure you have your button code ready. It's just a small piece of HTML that creates the clickable WhatsApp link. Paste the code into the box provided within the HTML block. After pasting the code, save your changes. Then preview your website to confirm that the WhatsApp button appears correctly. When visitors click it, it should open WhatsApp and allow them to message you directly. Adding this button is a simple but powerful way to boost interactivity on your site. Instead of filling out a contact form or sending an email, visitors can now connect with you instantly through WhatsApp, making your site feel more responsive and approachable.